Hello and welcome to our software quality assurance presentation. For this, we have Euchre, a popular Midwest card game done by Logan Hollowell, Alex Memmering, and Eric Sanders. I'm Alex, and I will be showing you several of our features that we have in this game. First, to explain the GUI, up at the top we have our scores. First, our overall score here shows each round that's been won by either you and your partner or your two opponents on either side. Over here, in each round, we have hands, or each set of cards that's won or lost is displayed here. The trump that's been selected, and the current dealer. Here, we have the currently hidden cards of the other AI players. In the middle, explains what you need to do or the current history. Down here at the bottom is your current hand, and here are the extra buttons to display what you need to do while not currently playing. So here at the beginning, it's gotten each of the AI have passed, and you have the option of either passing or picking up the current card, which is the Queen of Hearts. So we're just going to pass right here, and what's happened is one of the other AIs has decided that the trump will be spades, and your partner has decided to go alone. So here we can see that what's been currently played by each player in turn, so 1, 2, 3, and you just hit continue with game because you're not going to play in this round because your partner's gone alone. You can see that you didn't play anything here. The previous trick is those are the cards that were played, and then currently what's been played. Continue again, same deal. Hitting continue. All of the cards have been played, and trick score is 2-2 without this current one being evaluated. And last one to end the round. And unfortunately, our partner has lost, and so the opponents got 2 points. So it's back around, and the current card is the Jack of Clubs. We will say, pick it up this time, and we have the option of going alone, which we don't want to do. So here, this person is the dealer, so your partner got to go first, and currently it's back to you. Play. Notice that only 2 of the cards are enabled. That is because you must follow suit. You have diamonds in your hand, and diamonds was led, so we have to play one of these 2 cards. We're going to play the 10 of diamonds, and it continued. It says 10 of diamonds here, and it got back around to us. We're only able to play that card. Here, we don't have any clubs, so we're allowed to play whatever card that we'd like. So we're going to play 10 of hearts. Now the King of Spades and the Ace of Spades. Again, we lost, but we didn't call it, so the opponent only got 1 point. Next, we're going to try going alone. So we're going to say pick it up and go alone. Notice that our partner's hand is empty, and this person has gone first, and we get to pick what to do next. This will be the first jack that we play. However, notice that we must play clubs, but the Jack of Spades is available. That is because the Jack of Spades is actually a trump. It's the second highest. So we played this. We won, so we get to go first this time. We played the Ace of Diamonds. Now let's try the King of Clubs, Spades, Ten of Spades. So we won all 5 of those. And so because we went alone and we won all 5, we got 4 points. Now we're going to pass, and one of the AI decided what the trump would be, to be spades. So next we're going to show the show cards, and it doesn't immediately change these from hidden. It will when the cards next update. So we get to lead. We will lead the ace of clubs. Notice that all of these cards are now displayed, so we can tell what our opponents and our partner has. Allows us to, be able to choose exactly what we'd want to play. So we may want to play the ace of spades, however, we can see that our opponent has the jack of clubs and should beat us with that. And of course he did, and he won that. And so he went first, so it's back to us. So here we jump into the middle of a hand. One of our opponents has decided to go alone, as evidenced by the lack of cards on this side. We've played through several tricks and we've won each of them. There are 2 cards left, so I'm going to play diamonds. We won that, and my partner has played. And so this last card, we will win that trick, giving us 5 of the tricks, and we will get 2 points, which will end the game because we'll have reached 10. So here, you see that it displays right in the middle that the game is over and that we've won. Here, we've started a new game. You'll notice that everything looks very similar, but it's been translated into Spanish. So here we have the pass button, or the pick it up. However, there are some cognates, such as trump, trick, that don't appear to be translated. So we're just going to pass here, come back to us. We'll pick hearts, and we won't go alone. You can see that even the card names have been translated. You can see that the functionality is still the same, only the words have been translated. Here we've started another new game. This time it's in Arabic. You can notice that all of the words look very different, using Unicode and whatnot. So we're just going to click around to show that it's still very similar. The gameplay is the same. As you can see, the gameplay is exactly the same, but everything's been translated. Okay. Here we've started a new game. We are the dealer currently, and each of these AI have passed. And so it's gotten around to us the first time. The card turned up is the 10 of hearts. And so we're going to decide to pass. So what's happened here is that each of the AI have decided to pass a second time. So it's gotten back to us. We are playing with stick the dealer rules. So to ensure that this round actually gets played, the dealer is not allowed to pass a second time and must choose one of the 3 trump, clubs, diamonds, or spades that was not the card turned up. So the card turned up was hearts, and that's not one of these choices. So what we're going to do, we're going to go with spades. We're not going to go alone. You can see that the trump here, spades, and just you can see playing normally here that all worked out. We finish up this hand. So now the person on our left is the dealer, and our partner here started. He passed. The AI over here also passed, and what we're gonna pass on the ace of hearts there. And so everyone passed, and it's gotten back to us a second time. But you see that since we're not the dealer, we also have the option to pass along with the 3 other suits here. So we can pick any one of these, or we can decide to pass. So we're going to go with spades again. We're not going to go alone. See that just playing normally again. Everything works out fine. Here we are. The score is 9-0. I'm the dealer, and the card turned up is the 10 of spades. We're going to pass, and we're going to actually go with hearts and not go alone. Play the ace, jack, 10. You can see that trick score is 3, so we have a guaranteed point there. Play our last 2 cards, and we won the game. Thank you for watching our presentation. I hope you have fun trying out our game.